Hello, welcome back. I'm very happy to have all of you again here in my house and in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this video. It's very easy and super fast. I will show you how to make this granny top. It's very easy and I'm sure you will love it. You can make it for yourself, for your daughters, for your nieces, for all the family. I'm sure you all will look beautiful with these colors and this beautiful top that it's perfect for these hot days, for this summer. So what do you think? I love making these kind of garments because they are very easy and all your daughters and young people can make it, because sometimes the young people think that crochet is just for grandmas. But now with these kind of garments we try to share them to make these beautiful garments for themselves. So I invite all of you to make this tutorial with all your daughters, with all your nieces. Look, it's so easy. Look at the back. You can pop your creativity mixing many colors with this garment. Now it's like trendy, the mandalas, and the mandalas mix a lot of colors. You can take the mandalas and you can inspire from them by making this garment and mixing a lot of colors. Well, I want to share this quote that I found. Youth is a time of life, not at a state of mind. So please take the risk. If you feel that this garment it's just for girls or just for young people, don't worry, you can use it too, and you can make it together and you can match it with your daughter or with your sister or with your nieces. So please make it. I invite all of you to make this garment all together and enjoy life together. Remember that never it's too late to wear whatever you want and to make whatever it makes you happy. So let's don't lose more time. Also, I wanted to share that sometimes it's difficult to find the right material to make this kind of garments. So I invite all of you to visit my online store. You can find there all of these materials and many more, all the accessories and all the magazines. The warehouse is in Spain, in Madrid. If you are close to there, you can visit us whenever you want. I will leave the address and the phone numbers, and you can contact us and visit us whenever you want. Also, if you don't live close to Spain but you want to get the materials, you can make your order online in www.lauracepeda.es. Okay, for this top we are going to need 400 grams of Rio or Bajar. You can find in my online store, remember, and we are going to need one hook of 3 millimeters. Remember that this top is going to be a small size. So let's start. Okay, we are going to use one thread of the color that you choose, and we are going to make 5 chains. Mixing all the colors and starting like this, we are going to form and we are going to build the first square. Remember that we are going to make 2. Well, this square has to be of the width of your hip. Remember that I'm making this garment for a small size. And I almost forgot. Also, you have to crochet a little bit more in the size to join this other square with this square, okay? And like this you are going to make the square perfectly for your side and it will fit perfectly on you. As you could see, I closed in circle and now I'm making extended double crochet inside the circle of the first 5 chains that I've made. Chain 2 and again 3 extended double crochet inside this circle. And I'm so sorry, my voice is not very well right now. I get sick over the weekend, but I'm still recovering. So I hope the next video I will have a better voice for all of you. Well, we are going to repeat the same 4 times. And it has to look like this. Remember that we made 2 chains and 3 extended double crochet together like this 4 times. Then we are going to slip 1 to close. Then we are going to slip all over until here, okay? 1, 2, and 3. And when we arrive here, we are going to chain 3 and then to extend a double crochet like this. Chain 2 and again 3 extended double crochet. And again 3 extended double crochet, and like this we are going to make the same 2 in each space, like this. Look at the end, it has to look like this. Okay, then we are going to slip 1 to close, and then we are going to slip until here. And look, here we are going to pay attention because now I'm going to change the color. So cut your thread and with one thread of other color that you choose, make a knot without taking the hook. Make a knot because if not we are going to lose stitches, so we don't want that. So make a knot here, very tight, and then we are going to continue like we were making before. Remember, here in these spaces you are going to make them twice, and here you are going to make them simple. So we are going to continue like this, changing colors and making these little squares until we obtain the width of our hip. Then here chain 3, and we are going to make 3 extended double crochet, then 2 chains, and again 3 extended double crochet together. Remember that in this space we are going to make them twice. Well, I get ahead and I choose to place the colors like this. Remember that it's up to you and you can use the colors that you more like, okay? Well, for a small size I made 12 rows. Sometimes there is people that crochet more loose or more tight. Well, and it's difficult to say exactly the number of chains that you have to make, but I suggest that you should feed yourself and measure yourself to make the correct measures and the correct chains for your size. Well, I'm going to continue making the other square. Okay, here I finished. This is the second square, and then we are going to crochet just a small size. We have to take into account that this space will be for our arms, so we have to crochet from here to here to leave the space for the arm. And from here we are going to crochet the strap. We are going to crochet like this until here. We are going to make them simple in each space until here. This is going to be the half, but then I made one more, and then this will be our armhole. Remember that then here we are going to make the strap, and here remember we made them simple. Now turn around. I am going to continue like this for 3 rows more. Remember that if you are making this garment for a bigger size, well, I suggest that you should make more rows of this one. Okay, so now chain 3, grab your yarn and make 1 extended double crochet here, 1 more, and 3. Like this, 3 rows more. At the end we are going to join this part with this other square. Remember that we made 2 exact squares, one for the back and one for the front. Well, I'm going to continue like this and see you when I finish these 2 rows to teach you how we are going to join. We are going to join making the 3rd row, okay? So chain 3. And then you are going to place a square here, and you have to pay attention and you have to see that the square is in the correct side, okay? Well, now continue like you were making before, but now you are going to insert the hook in the other square to join these 2 parts, okay? So make 3 extended double crochet here in the same square, and then chain 1 and then insert the hook here, chain 1 like this, and then 3 extended double crochet together here in this space, then 1 chain, insert the hook here in between this space, chain 1, and again. And like this we are going to crochet to join this side. And it will look like this, okay? And well, we are going to repeat the same in the other side. You have to make the same numbers of squares and extended double crochet and everything to join the other part. Then we are going to make the straps. Well, here I finished. Look, I already joined both sides with the same color and everything. And then we are going to make the straps. I'm going to make the strap shorter because this part it's going to be close to the neck. So this will be the collar, and from here we are going to make the straps. Well, I'm going to continue using this color, but remember you can use the color that you want, it's up to you. Well, here make a knot. As I told you, I want to make the strap shorter, so I'm going to make 30 chains. This is for a small size, but remember that if you are making this garment for a bigger size, you should measure the chains of your strap. I made 30 loose chains, and then I'm going to join one corner with the other, making 1 chain like this. Okay, and then I'm going to the other corner. I'm going to make the same. So cut your thread. And with the same color and everything, I'm going to join the other corners. Well, here I'm going to make the same. I made 30. Then chain 1 more to close, and like this. And before we continue, I suggest that you should fit in now before we make more things. And if you feel that the straps are shorter, well, make more chains, and if you feel that the straps are longer, well, remove chains. Okay, so fit the blouse in this part. Once you fit the straps are okay, well, now let's continue. We are going to make 1 extended double crochet in each chain. This will be the 3rd extended double crochet, then chain 2, leave 2 spaces, and again 3 extended double crochet in each chain, like this until we finish the straps. Then when we finish making this, we are going to make 1 row of single crochet all around here until we arrive here. We are going to crochet 2 single crochet here, 1 here and here, and we are going to leave this space, 2 here, and then here, until we arrive to the other strap. Here I'm finishing this row, then I'm going to slip 1 to close, and then I'm going to continue making single crochet all around here until I arrive to the other strap. I'm going to start from here making the rows of single crochet, and here we are going to reduce a little bit this part of the collar, making 2 here, one here, and again 2 here. Okay, we are going to continue like this until we arrive to the other strap, and if you feel that it reduced a lot, well, you should undo and continue like you were making before. We are going to make the same with the other strap, and then we are going to make one single crochet row until here, and then we are going to make one row more like this one, okay? Well, I finished to make the other strap and I arrived here. I already made one row of single crochet like I made before, and now I'm going to make another row of squares like I made, okay? I'm going to start here. We are going to alternate the order, and here we are going to make one extended double crochet. We are going to leave one space here, and like this until we finish the strap. As I told you, I changed the order and it has to look like this so far. And we are going to make the same in the other strap. We are going to make single crochet, then one row more, and again single crochet. At the end we will have 2 rows in the front and 2 rows of single crochet in the back. Look, here I finished. At the end I make 2 rows of single crochet, and I reduced a little bit here because I think it will fit better in our body, okay? If I reduce more in the color. Well, it looks like this. I used the same color to join. Here also I made 1 row of single crochet, and then we are going to make 1 row of single crochet here to finish. And like this we are going to finish just making 1 row of single crochet, and that's it. As you could see, it's very easy. This garment is so simple and so fast, and this is the color that I choose. Remember that you can use the colors that you like. I use this brown and pink, but you can use it in blues or reds or orange, and make crazy combinations. It's up to you. This is the opportunity to pop your creativity with this garment, and it's perfect also for summer. This kind of material is very fresh. It's super light. So what do you think? I hope that you like it. I think that this garment is a perfect opportunity to learn how to crochet. If you don't know, I think that this garment is so simple and so fast, and you will learn to crochet and making a beautiful piece so easy for you. And it's also perfect for your daughters. If your daughters doesn't know how to crochet, well, this is a perfect opportunity to learn how. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Remember, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments. I'm trying to read all of them and to answer, but I promise I will answer all of them. Thanks for watching. Bye!